Most interesting facts about tea. 1. On average, BRU employees drink 25 cups of tea each week. 2. Over 28 super healthy ingredients go into making each tea tox. 3. Tasseography is the art of reading tea leaves. 4. Who invented tea? According to legend, in 2737 BC, the Chinese Emperor Shennong was sitting beneath a tree while his servant boiled drinking water when some leaves from the tree blew into the water. Shennong, a renowned herbalist, decided to try the infusion that his servant had accidentally created. The tree was a Camellia sinensis, and the resulting drink was what we now call tea. 5. You can brew the leaves from a raspberry plant to make a fruity infusion. 6. Traditionally, milk was poured into the cup to protect the fine china. It caught on and is now a tea tradition. 7. Tea was traditionally used for medicinal purposes. It took over 3,000 years before it was drunk as a beverage. 8. Earl Grey tea was named after a former British Prime Minister. 9. Loose tea can be kept for up to 2 years. 10. English tea is traditionally served between 3 to 6 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. 11. In Tibet, they drink butter tea made using tea, salt, and butter. 12. Many BRUU loose teas can be reinfused many times. 13. A hasty person drinks tea with a fork, Chinese proverb. 14. Tea for Two was the second most performed song of the 20th century. 15. In the UK in 1999, official figures stated that 37 people were injured by tea cozies. 16. It takes 12 years before a tea plant produces a seed and another 3 years before it can be harvested. 17. Black tea is known as red tea in China. 18. Most black teas are made using tea from Ceylon. 19. 50% of all tea comes from East Africa. 20. 70% of the UK population drank tea yesterday. Half of tea drinkers take sugar with their tea. 21. A cup of tea contains half the caffeine of coffee. 22. Making tea is much better for the environment than coffee.
Dears, don't worry if you follow and subscribe any page or channel, you will not suffer any loss.